Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is achiever. 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 Achiever is a noun that refers to a person who consistently succeeds, accomplishes goals, and demonstrates a determined and successful approach to life. An achiever is often associated with motivation, ambition, and a record of accomplishments. Here are some examples. Example number 1. As a senior executive, he is recognized as a top achiever in the company. Why achiever is used in example number 1. Achiever signifies his exceptional career achievements and contributions. Example number 2. She is a dedicated achiever, consistently earning top grades. Why achiever is used in example number 2. Achiever highlights her consistent academic excellence and success. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.